Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about object deconstruction in ES6. In regular JavaScript, if we have an object of student like so, let's say we have an object called student here, and we set the name to my friend's name, Emeka, and the age value to, let's say, 28. We can access the object properties, which are age and name, by saying, let's use var student detail is equal to student.name. And if we console.log student detail, let's see what happens. Let's console.log student detail. Now let's run our code to see what happens. As you can see, Emeka is returned to us. In ES6, we'll create an object, let's say const, and we say name, and we say age, equal to student. This means we are trying to grab these two object properties, name and age, from our student object list. Now you would see if we console.log just name, not slow, console.log just name, Emeka is still returned to us. This has made it possible for us to use name and age as a variable anywhere in our code. So let's say I have a variable here saying my story, and let's use backticks. Say I had a friend known as Emeka, loves soccer a lot. Now let's console.log my story and see. My story. Let's run our code. You see, I had a friend known as Emeka. He loves soccer a lot. And that's because I have been able to deconstruct this property out of this object, and now I can use this variable name anywhere in my code. You can see I just passed the value of name here. So same way for age, I can console.log age. You can see 28 right here. So this has actually made my object properties to stand alone outside my object list as variables. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.